Hi guys, welcome to this video. So before we get into the CPM1 updates video, I just want to thank you guys for supporting the channel. Alright, let's go. So I'll be showing you guys the cars that we got in the new update version 4.9.3. Okay, so we actually have like 5 cars right now.
A few moments later.
So this is the first car we got in the update. So this car cost about $1.2 million. So there's a new truck in the game which is priced using the game money, priced about $1.4 million. So we also got a picnic bus in the game which costs 1000 gold coins, and I think it's so crazy, bro. Make sure y'all comment down below your favorite car in this update. Okay, and we also still got a BMW which costs 1500 gold coins. So we got a sports car in this update which costs 1500 gold coins, and is actually an Aston Martin. This car is an Aston Martin, okay, and it's actually my favorite car in this update, which I think is also a lot of people favorite car in this update, guys. Okay, so let's check out the cars, door animations, exhaust sound, and a lot of things. Okay, let's check it out right now. Let's go. Okay, let's check out the car's door animation and the sound of the car. Okay, so guys, like, I'm so sorry for using this type of like a hat or something. Okay, I didn't know the time it's like got in or something. Okay, bro, this car is so crazy, bro. Like, oh my god. So this is how the interior design looks like. It's actually so crazy, bro. And the fun part that I like about this car is that we have like an open roof animation, bro. We have an open roof animation in this car, and the windows actually goes up and down, bro. It's crazy, right? So this is the boss we got in the game, and I actually love this boss so much because of like the things this boss got in it, bro. Like I actually love this boss so much. The fun part about this boss is that you can actually sleep in this boss, bro. You can actually sleep in this boss. That's like the interesting part of this boss. And also you can literally go anywhere you want in this boss. You can go anywhere, whether it's the sitting room, the bedroom, the kitchen. Like we got everything in this boss. Oh my god, bro. Am I like literally sleeping right now? Oh my god, bro. Look at the way he's sleeping, bro. Oh my days.
1 eternity later.
Okay, so let's check out the body kits of the cars.
2,000 years later.
So we also got something interesting that a lot of you guys don't know. We actually got a new map location. So this is the exact place it is located, okay? Alright, so let's check out the map features, okay? So this is the end of the video. Make sure you hit that bell, smash that like button, and subscribe, okay? I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.